Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, this is Jessica and welcome to my latest video about my incredible travels through Brazil. If you like what you see here, don't forget to click that like button and write a comment down below. I'm so excited to take you on this tour to the Praia do Farol in the crystal clear waters of Brazil in 2023. Flying in from London to Sao Paulo, I was so excited. As soon as I arrived, I made sure to check out the amazing beaches this part of the world has to offer. Praia do Farol caught my eye immediately. This beach is filled with a crystal clear turquoise water, filled with colorful reefs, shells, and small patches of white sand. Exploring the area is a dream come true. I grabbed some scuba diving gear and explored the water for a little while. It was so beautiful, with all kinds of fish and corals. I even got to swim with some dolphins, which was amazing. I also explored some of the nearby islands, which are full of stunning views and great hiking trails. I had such an amazing time in Brazil. I was sad to leave, but I would highly recommend this place to anyone looking for an incredible place to travel. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more travels around the world.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.